National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Smith County in northeastern Texas, northwestern Cherokee County in northeastern Texas, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Reese, or near Jacksonville, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tyler, Jacksonville, White House, Bullard, Troop, Art, Mount Salmon, Mixon, Reese, Lake Palestine, Dunday, New Chapel Hill, CUNY, and Teasville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Texas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Cherokee and Smith. Flood watch now in effect.